This video demonstrates how to properly install standard Arconic ring-locked adapters. Before installation, ensure that the port is properly prepared using the applicable drill, porting tool, tap, broach tool, and corresponding chip removal tool. Port preparation is covered in another video. Select the appropriate O-ring corresponding to the adapter size being installed. Lubricate the O-ring and corresponding O-ring installation tool in the system fluid or lubricant compatible with the system fluid. Place the O-ring installation tool over the port end thread of the adapter and slide the O-ring over the tool and into the O-ring groove. Use a new O-ring and ensure it's not twisted or damaged during installation. Lubricate the port, including the internal threads, using the same fluid or lubricant previously used when installing the O-ring. Insert the port end or smaller end of the adapter into the port and rotate in a clockwise direction until the adapter is seated against the 20-degree sealing surface. Do not rotate in a counterclockwise direction, as this may cause damage to the O-ring. Select the proper combination wrench and drive tool. This tool uses the tube end threads of the adapter during the installation process. Since the threads for different adapter series may vary, it is important to select the proper tool to avoid damage to the adapter threads. If a combination wrench and drive tool is not available, a separate wrench and drive tool may be used to install the adapter. Using a torque wrench in conjunction with the applicable combination wrench and drive tool, engage the tool serrations with the mating external serrations of the lock ring and torque the adapter until the minimum installation torque value is reached. The minimum and maximum torque values for each adapter series is specified on the Arconic sales drawing and applicable SAE specification. Once the minimum torque value is reached, remove the tool and check for alignment between the port serrations and mating external serrations on the adapter lock ring. If the serrations are not properly aligned, continue applying torque in a clockwise direction until the lock ring and port serrations are in alignment. Do not torque the adapter beyond the maximum torque value. Additionally, do not rotate the adapter in a counterclockwise direction, as this may result in damage to the O-ring. Using a small brush or syringe, apply sealant or primer to the counterbore area of the port and below the adapter serrations. Apply enough so that the excess sealant or primer is extruded between the lock ring serrations and the port when driving the lock ring. A list of acceptable sealants and primers is shown on the applicable SAE specification. While the sealant or primer is still wet, install the threaded end of the combination wrench and drive tool onto the upper end of the adapter, rotating in a clockwise direction. Using an open end or socket wrench, tighten the combination tool until the face of the tool has bottomed onto the face of the port. You will feel a spike in the torque when the tool has bottomed. Be aware that over-tightening may cause damage to the adapter or port. Using an open end or socket wrench, loosen the combination wrench and drive tool and remove it from the fitting. Wipe off any residual sealant or primer from the surface of the boss. Installation is now complete.